Hello, hello, hello mga kakaps. Good morning. It's currently 7:39. My flight is at 10:35 at the airport. It's like 45 minutes away as well. It's the airport that is the farthest from us. Last time I told you, right guys, na medyo malapit-lapit yung airport na napuntahan natin sa city kasi dalawa yung airport namin. Oh my God! Ito na nga yung nagpupups pa si Hubs. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko. I had alarmed. Nagising ako sa alarm, pero nag-extend ako, hindi na ako nagising. Tapos si Habi na yung nagising ng mga 7:15. Sabi niya, "Huy, anong oras flight mo?" Sabi ko, 10:45. Sabi niya, "Tara na!" Kaya ito, oh my God, I can't believe it. Hindi to nangyayari kapag kakasama ko siya. Sinabi niya kagabi sa akin na bilisan ko na daw, na ako lang yung mag-alarm tapos gigisingin ko siya. Pero again, di ba sabi ko, hindi ako independent traveler. Pero natututo na ako. Pero tara na, ayan na siya. Let's go, baby!
Sorry. I'm tired. Long week at work. I'm gonna sleep later.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you for taking me to the airport.
My pleasure.
Ayan na siya. Siya na yung nagdadala. Thank you, babe. Okay, time check, 7:50. So we're on the way to the airport now. We can't really do so. According to our sat nav, it's only 34 minutes to the airport, right?
Yeah,
34 minutes. So that's not bad. So it's currently 7:50. We're gonna arrive there at like 8:30. My flight is at 10:35. I think it's gonna be fine because again, that airport is a new airport, which is around, how old is that airport, babe?
3 years old.
3 years old. There's not a lot of like international flights yet there, so most probably there won't be. Why is that? Seriously, most probably there won't be a long queue. Most probably. That's what's always happened there. So yeah, buti na lang naligo ako kagabi ng, ayan, basa-basa pa nga, naligo ako ng mga 1:30. So ayan, wala nang make up, wala na talaga, wala yan. And eto, winter na dito mga be. Nag-skip kami ng autumn. Maybe autumn came for like probably a week, right?
Yeah.
And then now it's winter and it's raining, so my body is going to adjust again. If you have been watching my vlog when I went to Qatar, the temperature here was already dropping, so I was afraid that I was gonna get sick in Qatar because when I arrived there it was 36 degrees, and before I left, when I left our city in China, it was already 18 degrees, and then from 36 when I came back it's 12 degrees. Imagine. And now it's winter. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to a hot country, a hot temperature again. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen to me, but I am fully prepared. I have all my medicine. Don't you worry, because I don't want to get sick and I want to have a full energy for our Mahalimas concert. But oh my God, let's go! Ang dami ko pa namang chika sa inyo. Ang dami kong chika. So I have a new card. I have applied for a new card. I've only applied for a standard card kasi naka-gold pala ako before. So, tapos kailangan different card number na yung apply ko. Kasi kapag the same card number yung i-apply ko, it will take 7 to 10 days. And I was like, it's okay. I'm just gonna take a new card number and then a standard only, the basic card. Kasi nagulat ako, ay, naka-gold pala ako before. Kaya pala yung, that is why, babe, we were paying for like a management fee for our cards. Up until now, you're still paying for a management fee for your card for sure, because it's a gold card.
Right.
I have applied for just a standard. I don't need a gold card.
What's the difference there?
Don't know. I didn't ask because the bank was so rammed yesterday, and I didn't want to ask questions anymore. I was just like, I just need money in that card. Transfer my money. It's actually very cool because they didn't need to transfer my money from my old card to the new card, which is good. Bank card sorted. I still don't have money, okay, but I'm thinking if I have time, I'll just withdraw from the airport. I have 2 cards. One card was the one that I used in Qatar, like my husband's card, but I'm not gonna rely on that. I'm gonna try and use my new card, and I will try to withdraw some cash in the airport or at the airport. There shouldn't be any problem in using the card. I don't need to activate the card or whatsoever, I can just use it right away. I can just withdraw cash right away. And I can also withdraw cash internationally as well, as long as there's Union Pay. So that's what they said. So I'm a bit nervous because it's my first time to have this card. So, you know, for security, I also brought his card. So let's go. It's so raining. Oh my god, this is what I hate. Just, it's okay, babe. You don't need to like race the car. Let's go. What a horrible day. Horrible. My god, Lord, bless our flight. Parang hindi pa nga ako gising. I feel like I'm not fully awake yet. Oh my god. 26 minutes. 26. We're good, we're good. I remember there's one, like probably 2 kilometers outside the airport. There's a fuel station, remember?
Yeah, there's one right there. Yeah. I know where it is at the airport. We
have 57 kilometers on the car right now, and we're 39 kilometers away. Ah, good luck. Alright.
So what I find amazing is that you're absolutely clueless with directions and where things are, but then as soon as I'm not there, you become this navigational guru.
Of course.
Like, amazing at like.
Aren't you proud of me?
I'm really proud of you, but why can't you do what I'm about?
Oh, because you know, you're my guy. You're my direction. Hey. Let's fuel up. I always think that this is the. And Joshua are jamming. We're here. Hello, Panda. Hello, Panda. We're counter C. Hey, RMB. Yep, yep. We're good. Ay nako, akala ko I had everything sorted. I had everything packed. Very important. As someone who vlogs, hindi ko nadala yung power bank ko. Kakainis. Kailan ba magiging perfect, magiging smooth yung mga flights ko? Kapag kasama ko lang yung asawa ko, sabi ko sa inyo, nagiging independent ako pero di ako perfect kasi I'm trying to still figure out everything by myself. Pero proud pa rin ako sa sarili ko kasi dati hindi ko nagagawa tong mga ganito. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, dati nagta-travel ako mag-isa pero may mga sundo, may, alam niyo yun, for work. Ay, ang daming tao sa Starbucks. Ay, kailangan kong i-save yung battery ko ng phone ko. So, baka hindi ako masyadong mag-vlog. Pagdating ko sa Thailand, kailangan kong maghanap ng power bank. Uso ba yung rental power bank rentals in Thailand? I'm not sure because here in China, you can literally like rent power banks anywhere. 哎，你好，这个是不是排队吗？啊 ，OK， 谢谢。Can I have hazelnut latte? Okay. Just tall and hot. Yeah, and then I will have pineapple bun and hot. Yes. 谢谢。Good thing hindi tayo gate 200, gate 100 plus this time. We're only gate 22, so it's very near. It's right after the immigration. So baba lang tayo. Swerte. Hindi man tayo swerte sa mga gamit na power bank, wala. Pero swerte tayo, malapit lang yung boarding gate natin. We're 22, so to the right. To the right, to the right. Ayan, dito sa China, feel free to get some water. Kung meron kang tumbler, kuha ka lang dyan. Mainit at malamig na yan. Gate 22 over here. We're over here. Dito tayo. So, I'm at the boarding gate now. and then we're just waiting to finally board. We still have around like probably 14 minutes for our boarding, and I can literally see the tarmac here, and I don't see our plane, so probably we'll get onto a coach and then or a shuttle bus, and then they'll take us somewhere where Spring Airlines is parked. And Spring Airlines is like budget airlines in China, but still they offer full board. May pagkain din sila, pero compared to like big airlines like Air China, China Eastern, Hainan Airlines, Chengdu Sichuan Airlines, Chengdu Airlines, yung malalaki talaga, sobrang daming airlines dito sa China. Every city ata meron silang kanya-kanyang airlines. Spring Airlines is, I think this is the second time that I will be experiencing that I will be flying by Spring Airlines. The first time I experienced them was when I actually went to Pagtatag concert as well 2 years ago, and then now again. I think it's a budget airlines for Thailand, specifically going to Thailand kasi madami-dami yung mga Chinese pumupunta ng Thailand. Pero this time, hindi kasi bakasyon, wala masyadong mga tao. Papakita ko sa inyo, nasa gilid lang talaga ako ng tarmac. Nakikita ko yung mga plane, nakikita ko yung mga shuttle buses. Tingnan nyo, but the weather is not that good. Ayan, may paparating na plane or paalis na yan, hindi ko alam. Mga crew. Nakahanap ako ng 7-Eleven. So, hubby told me that there's 7-Eleven at gate 114. So, nagpunta ako para bumili nito. Kasi may mga charging stations dito. So, good. Kasi lahat ng mga cables ko, lahat nasa luggage ko. May pila. 40 RMB. Gosh. Ko talaga, maulan. And we drove here by shuttle bus for like probably 10 minutes. Dito na tayo. On the other side, Sichuan Airlines. Diyos ko, ang lamig. Sobra mga 11 degrees to. Tapos tumayo pa kami dyan ng mga 5 minutes kasi kailangan nung mga nauna pumasok muna. Tapos bago kami. Grabe na nga pag ako kasi hindi naman kasi makapal yung jacket ko, diba? So this plane is actually not bad. It's 3 and 3 configuration. So tatlo sa left, tatlo sa right. Okay naman siya. And look at the space. 5'3" lang ako. Ayan, maganda naman yung space. At saka sobrang maulan talaga. Kaya kinakabahan ako dito kasi ayoko talaga ng umuulan. At saka sobrang bumpy talaga ng flight all throughout 3.5 hours of journey. Talagang hindi maganda yung flight. Bumpy talaga siya. Para akong nasuka. Kaya ako hindi nakakain eh. Kasi natulog. Pinilit ko yung sarili kong makatulog. Kasi nga sobrang pangit. Ito, hello. Bangkok na. We're landing na dito. Pero grabe yung turbulence. Dito rin kasi sa Bangkok, medyo tingnan nyo yung ulap, diba? Dark clouds din kasi. Kaya yung turbulence talaga, grabe talaga. Akala ko ano na eh. Alam nyo yun, pero hindi naman, Lord. May plano pa sa kaya every time I land safely in a country or wherever I am, sobrang papasalamat ko talaga kay Lord sa safe journey talaga. Okay na yung grabe yung turbulence, basta nakalapag lang ng maayos. So thank you, Lord. Ayusin nyo yan. Ayusin nyo. Huwag yung tapon-tapon lang. Ayan, we have arrived. Now we have to claim our baggage and go through immigration. Tulog pati ako buong flight, so hindi ako nakakain. I prioritize my sleep over food. So now I'm actually very hungry. I'm not sure if everyone has like welcome party or like a pre-concert party or meet-up. I don't know. Because Thailand, 18 Thailand, apparently they're very busy trying to sell out the concert. Sawadee. Wait, is Miss Universe Thailand held here? Miss Universe Thailand? Is Miss Universe competition held in Thailand? Because I was just there at the immigration queue and I was with Miss Romania, Miss Universe Romania. Diba? Talagang no video and no photos allowed daw. Pero may nagpa-picture talaga sa kanya. Buti hindi sinita. Ako nga pa ano-ano lang eh. Pa video-video ng kaunti. Patago pa nga yung video ko. Kasi baka masita tayo ng immigration, diba? Alright, we have changed our money already. And then she offered me like a bank card for tourists. And then she asked me how much money I would put in that bank card, and I said, okay, let's just put in 1,000 renminbi, 1,000 baht, and I could apparently use it to many merchants like 7-Eleven, McDonald's, Starbucks. So yeah, it would be useful, but I need to also activate the card. So we're gonna go to Airport Link now. Airport Link, I don't know where it is. Wait. Hey, the adventure begins. Here we are again, being brave. May gustong patunayan sa asawa na kayang-kaya mag-travel mag-isa, na kayang-kaya mag-public transport, hindi nag-Uber, hindi nag-DiDi, hindi nag-Grab. So, good job, Nika. Good job. Okay, I paid 45 baht for the airport link going to Phaya Thai, because I'm gonna go to Nana. So 8 stops. We have arrived at Phaya Thai, and then we're going to BTS exit to BTS Phaya Thai. It's the same. Okay, so we have arrived here, and then we have to transfer to BTS. Okay, we're going to transfer to BTS. Oh my god, transfer na tayo, public transport. Guys, para sa inyo siguro parang ang shallow lang nito. Para sa akin, sobrang big deal to. Kasi nga, sanay tayo sa convenience. Ako ngayon, may pinapatunayan nga lang talaga ako. Gusto kong masabi ko rin sa sarili ko na kaya kong mag-public transport ng ako lang. Diba? So, let's go to BTS and then we're gonna go to Nana. Let's go. Layo na. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god. Just arrived in my hotel and they got free juice for me. I arrived in my hotel. Okay, so first I have like a full-length mirror there. This is like a little hallway here. This mirror is actually a wardrobe as well. Yes, bathrobe inside. And on here, over here is the toilet and bath over there. There's really nothing special. It's just a toilet bowl and a wash sink, and then a shower head. Here is our bed. There, our bed is there. Double bed. I have sabi niya, I get free coffee every day. I have here this one, hair dryer, tissue, kettle, fridge. Water is free from there, but the colas are not. I have a massive TV. I think this is 56 or 60 inch. And yeah, the bed, it's a double bed. AC and the sun, yay, hi. And of course the view of the city. Wow. Hello, Bangkok. I think I'm very near the what is this, Terminal 21, I guess. I'm also not far from Central World. So I'm going to just like freshen up now and then head out, get a SIM card as well. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm so excited for tomorrow, mga kakaps ko. And I just wanna say pala, I'm so proud of our fandom kasi alam mo yung nakakatulong tayo sa ibang artist na nangangailangan ng suporta natin. Kagaya ng The Juans, they really need support. And you know what? You know what's lacking sa kanila lang is a solid supporters, a global solid supporters like 18 at saka proper marketing and promotion. Hindi nga tayo magaling masyado sa promotion pero nakakayanan natin at talagang nagkaisa tayo para matulungan yung The Juans. Talagang grabe talaga yung bayanihan natin for The Juans. And you know, those who are good to Mahalima, so yun na nga yung sinasabi ko nga, those who are good to Mahalima, 18 will always see that, and 18 will always pay back or also, you know, extend their kindness to these artists, because we have seen the relationship between Mahalima and The Juans. You know, when SB19 was just starting, The Juans were already there for them. They're really good friends. So now that they really need help, we are also here to help them, you know, sell out, or at least nakaka-proud lang kasi they only sold out 90 tickets. And napanood nyo naman yung ano ni Carl, diba? So pagkatapos niya mag-post noon, naging 400 plus, almost 500 yung sales ng tickets. So I'm so proud na belong ako sa fandom na to kasi talagang kindness is really natural in our fandom, because that's what SB19 is. Kasi ganun din sila, kaya ganun din yung pinapakita natin, ganun din yung pinapa-experience natin sa mga tao around us, especially sa mga taong full support naman din sa Mahalima. So sobra nakaka-proud lang. Anyway, apparently may kita-kita mamaya mga 7 to 9 PM daw sa may Paragon Siam, Icon Siam. I'm not sure. Medyo malapit lang yun dito. Mga 4 stops away lang from me So maybe I will go there. Pero Starbucks, hindi ba kakain? Talagang yung priority ko kain And I think yung ipapakita ko sa inyo teka lang. Ipapakita ko yung card na nakuha ko sa exchange stall sa airport. Binigyan nila ako ng tourist bank card, 'di ba? So ipapakita ko, wait lang. So ito yung binigay sa akin. So nilagyan ko lang siya ng 1,000 baht. Ayan, pay and tour. Pay with ease, tour with joy, Thailand. So yan. Excited ako, Mahalima. Nakaka-excite. This is going to be my 7th concert of this era. Grabe, naka-7. Simula nung naging fan ako nung Go Up era pa lang nila. Wala akong magawa nun kasi sobrang busy ko talaga. Alam mo yung empleyado ka, tapos ang hirap makapag-leave. So hanggang lang ako dati, hanggang nood-nood, hanggang online concert lang. Sa mga long-time subscribers ko dyan, alam nyo na nagpapamigay ako ng mga concert tickets before, or nagpamigay ako ng mga merch before. Tapos kasi nga hindi ko sila ma-support talaga full on dati. Ngayon na wala na tayo sa corporate world, meron na tayong sariling negosyo, I handle my own time, I demand myself to do something na in my own terms naman. So kahit saan nadadala ko yung work ko, I'm just happy na meron na akong time na makapag-fangirling. And my husband actually is happy about this, because sabi niya nga sa akin, masyado na daw din akong nalulong sa trabaho. Dati lulong ako sa trabaho nung empleyado pa ako. Kaya ako nagkasakit, kaya ako umalis. Sabi niya, kaya ka nga umalis kasi nagkakasakit ka. So ngayon, after 2 years akong nag-stop ng work. Tas ngayon, nagkaroon ka ng chance na mag-business. You know, na may export business kasi ako. So, trading. So, sabi niya, kalmahan mo lang. So, natutuwa siya na meron akong time na magganito-ganito. So, he's actually very thankful na may katuwaan, may entertainment ako. Kasi I go out with my friends, pero hindi siya ganong iba yung level ng saya ko kapag ang mahalima yung nakikita ko. First time ko kasi talaga tong mag-fangirling. Dati I appreciate music and I follow them, I listen to their songs, but I never experienced na all out yung support ko sa isang artist. So much na I travel the world for them. Diba? Tas na merch. Ayun. So, mga kakaps ko, God bless and I'll see you tomorrow. Baka i-vlog ko later yung yung pagkikita later. Tingnan natin. Bye!